Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 23rd, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Associated Banc-Corp, the largest bank holding company based in Wisconsin. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Associated Banc-Corp's impressive performance in the fourth quarter of 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Associated Banc-Corp reported a net income of $134 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, translating to an adjusted EPS of 80 cents. This marks a significant turnaround from a loss in the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this performance?
It's quite remarkable. The company not only turned around its quarterly performance, but also delivered a record annual net income of $463 million. This was driven by a 15% increase in net interest income, reaching $1.2 billion for the year. The strategic focus on high-quality loan and deposit growth has clearly paid off.
Loan and deposit growth. Associated Banc-Corp has shown solid growth in both loans and deposits. Total loans at the end of Q4 2025 were $31.2 billion, a 5% increase from the previous year. Deposits also grew by 3% to $35.6 billion. How does this impact their financial stability and growth prospects?
The growth in loans and deposits is a strong indicator of the bank's expanding market presence and customer base. The increase in core customer deposits to $29.6 billion is particularly noteworthy, as it reflects the bank's ability to attract and retain customers. This positions them well for continued growth and profitability in 2026.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operational efficiency seems to be a key theme for Associated Banc-Corp. Their net interest margin improved to 3.06% in Q4 2025, and non-interest income was $79 million. However, non-interest expenses also rose by 5% for the year. What does this mean for their future outlook?
The improvement in net interest margin is a positive sign, indicating better management of interest-earning assets and liabilities. While non-interest expenses have increased, they are investing in technology and personnel to support growth. Looking ahead, they expect loan growth of 5 to 6% in 2026, which should drive further revenue increases.
CEO strategic vision. CEO Andy Harmening mentioned that 2025 was a pivotal year for the company, achieving several strategic milestones. Can you elaborate on his vision and the impact of the upcoming acquisition of American National Bank?
CEO Andy Harmening has emphasized the importance of organic growth and expanding in key markets. The acquisition of American National Bank is expected to enhance their growth profile and profitability. This strategic move aligns with their goal to build on their momentum and strengthen their market position.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 69 cents for the quarter, but Associated Banc-Corp delivered an adjusted EPS of 80 cents, beating expectations. How has this affected analyst sentiment and the stock's performance?
The EPS beat has certainly bolstered analyst sentiment, reflecting confidence in the company's strategic direction and operational execution. The stock is likely to see positive momentum as investors react to the stronger-than-expected earnings performance.